In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check word count on a Canva. If you are drafting an article, a social post, or any writing that has a limit, knowing your word count can save you time and keep you on track. Canva makes this easy inside a Canva doc. And I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along without pausing. Start by opening your design in a Canva doc. Make sure you are in the document editor view, where you can type and format text, not just arranging graphics. Give the page a second to fully load so all menu options are available. Next, select the text you want to measure. Click and drag to highlight the paragraph section or entire page that you care about. Selecting your text ensures the count reflects exactly what you've highlighted, which is helpful if you are checking a specific portion rather than the whole document. Now go to the File menu at the top left corner of the editor. This is your main hub for document, level tools and settings. Click it to open the drop-down. From there, choose Settings. This opens the panel where Canva groups document preferences and helpful utilities. You don't need to change anything else here, just head straight to the next option. Click Word Count. The moment you do, a box will appear with the details you need. You'll see your word count, your character count, and an estimated reading time. The word count tells you how many words are in the text you selected. The character count can be useful if you are writing for platforms that limit characters. And the estimated reading time gives you a quick sense of how long it might take someone to read your content aloud or silently, which is especially handy for presentations, video scripts, and time-sensitive pieces. Use these numbers to make smart edits. If you are over your target, trim filler words and tighten sentences. If you need to add length, expand key points with specific details or examples. The estimate is just a guide, but it helps you pace your work and meet requirements without guesswork. When you are done, you can keep writing, reselect a different section to check again, or simply note the numbers and continue refining your draft. Repeat the same process anytime you need to verify a section, a paragraph, or your whole doc. That's it. Thanks for watching.